Solar system cost comparison, Kenya versus Tanzania. Picture this, you're standing under the vast East African sky, the sun blazing overhead, powering life itself. Now what if you could harness that energy to power your home or business? Solar energy is booming in Kenya and Tanzania, but here's the million-shilling question. Which country offers the better deal for going solar? Today, we're diving into a cost comparison of solar systems in Kenya versus Tanzania. Buckle up for a 3-minute ride through the numbers, trends, and opportunities. First, let's talk about why solar is a game changer in East Africa. Both Kenya and Tanzania are blessed with abundant sunshine, over 2,000 hours annually. That's a goldmine for solar energy. Plus, with rising electricity costs and unreliable grids in some areas, solar is not just eco-friendly, it's a smart financial move. But costs can vary, and that's where things get interesting. Let's break it down. In Kenya, solar energy is a household name. From rural homes to urban businesses, the market is buzzing. A typical 3-kilowatt solar system, enough to power a small household with lights, a fridge, and a TV, costs about 150,000 to 200,000 Kenyan shillings, roughly $150 to $1,500. This includes panels, an inverter, batteries, and installation. Why the range? Well, it depends on the brand. Chinese panels are cheaper, while European ones like German-made cost more but offer longer warranties, often 25 years. Kenya's edge comes from its mature market. Companies like M-Kopa and D-Light have made financing easy with pay-as-you-go models, letting you spread costs over 12 to 36 months. Government incentives like zero VAT on solar equipment also keep prices down. But here's a catch. Installation costs can creep up in remote areas due to transport and labor. Now, let's cross the border to Tanzania. Solar is also gaining traction here, but the market is slightly less developed. That same 3-kilowatt system in Tanzania might set you back 5 to 4.5 million Tanzanian shillings, or about $1,300 to $1,700 USD. Slightly pricier, right? This is partly because Tanzania imports most solar components, and import duties can add 10 to 15% to the cost. Local brands are emerging, but they're not as widespread as in Kenya. On the flip side, Tanzania's government is pushing hard for renewables. Programs like the Rural Energy Agency offer subsidies for off-grid systems, which can lower upfront costs for rural users. Financing options are growing too, with companies like Zola Electric offering installment plans. But the market is still playing catch-up, so you might face longer wait times for installation or maintenance. So, who wins the cost battle? Kenya generally has lower upfront costs and better financing options thanks to its mature market and tax breaks. A 3-kilowatt system in Kenya could save you $150 to $200 compared to Tanzania. However, Tanzania's subsidies for rural projects can close that gap for specific users. Both countries offer similar system lifespans, about 20 to 25 years, but Kenya's wider network of technicians means maintenance is often cheaper and faster. One thing to watch: electricity tariffs. Kenya's grid power is pricier, so solar savings kick in faster. In Tanzania, cheaper grid power might delay your return on investment, but off-grid solar is a lifesaver in remote areas. So, whether you're in Nairobi or Dar es Salaam, solar is a bright idea. Kenya might edge out slightly on cost and convenience, but Tanzania is catching up fast with subsidies and ambition. The real winner? Your wallet and the planet. Do your homework, compare quotes, check financing, and tap into local incentives. The sun's shining, and it's time to power up. Which country do you think offers the better deal? Let's spark a conversation.